over the David Dooley murder trial really a legal battle or just the fallout of a personal squabble between two close friends?
2 weeks ago, Kentucky's Attorney General received information that prosecutor Linda Talley-Smith accused the lead detective in this case, Bruce McVay, of lying to her during the trial.
And that kicked off the legal process that could get Dooley a new trial.
Local 12's Joe Webb was first to break the story. He joins us now with the new developments. Joe?
Well, Rob, Detective Bruce McVay ended a 35-year law enforcement career when he retired from the sheriff's office last week. He hired an attorney and wants to clear the air and his name. 10 days ago, the talk of a new trial for convicted murderer David Dooley came before the judge who sentenced him to life in prison just 2 years ago. A whistleblower had given attorney Steve Wolnitzek this thumb drive that included messages between prosecutor Linda Talley-Smith and Detective Bruce McVay.
Could be pretty explosive. I mean, you have a Commonwealth attorney accusing the lead, as I understand it, detective in the case of lying.
So Wolnitzek sent it to the Kentucky Attorney General. Since then, Linda Talley-Smith has gone to court to keep the information on the thumb drive from going public, claiming it contains personal information. Bruce McVay has resigned from the sheriff's office and hired an attorney.
Those allegations are entirely false. With respect to the trial, Bruce testified honestly in every respect. He did nothing wrong.
So, how did things get to this point? Well, those who've seen the information on the thumb drive say it establishes a personal relationship between Linda Talley-Smith and Bruce McVay. Dusing acknowledged a relationship between the two and says that can explain the allegations that McVay lied.
There could have been things said in an emotional state that were not intended to be taken as true, that the speaker knew were not true, but were made to get a reaction or as part of this personal relationship.
Now, we reached out today to Linda Talley-Smith's attorney, Luke Morgan, who did not return our phone call. The allegations will ultimately be heard in court. In the meantime, David Dooley is still convicted of murdering Michelle Mockbee and is serving life in prison. Rob?
Joe, thanks very much. David Dooley's appeal on the murder conviction has been put on hold while the court figures out whether he gets a new trial.